How y'all doing? My name is Arnistia Brallum. Welcome to my channel, and today we are getting into this Black Swan grunge realness unexpected makeup tutorial that we got here with, well it is. It's crazy how this ended up looking very Black Swan to me, because this was not. Keep watching so you can see the actual inspiration, because when you get to the inspiration you could be like, girl, is you okay? So yeah, sit back, get ready, and let's get into some makeup, shall we? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Okay, so today I have a vision. My vision is, I was taking a shower and I was just looking at the tile on the wall of my shower, and I don't necessarily know what we're doing with it, but we're doing something marble-ish. Not really, but like kind of. I don't know, we'll see where I'm going with this, but I kind of have a little sense. Okay, so for today, I'm actually going to start with the eyes. So I'm going to do this eye, come back, and then we'll get into this one, because I need a minute, okay. Not quite sure how this is what I got out of my images of the marble, but I'm actually really fucking into it. So it kind of gives me kind of like a, only thing that's coming to mind is like Black Swan, kind of. Do you kind of see it? Like a, I don't know, but I'm into it. So let's do the other. So I'm starting with the Melt Cosmetics liquid eyeshadow in base in color, well it's white, but the color is ultra white. A little on the lid. I'm gonna take my Real Technique Expert Concealer brush and blend. This liquid shadow slash base that Melt Cosmetics created, it's so good. Do you see how white that ultra white is? Okay, the pigment, it's so good. Like, I almost contemplated not even using shadow on top of it. It's so good. Okay, so this is actually slightly quicker than I anticipated. So with this, I created this look using nothing but Juvia's Place. I used the Warrior 2 palette and their Nubian 3 Coral palette. So I used the black and the white from here and this color on the outside for a lot of the blending. So I'm gonna start in my Warrior 2. I'm gonna go right into that black, honey. I'm gonna take Morphe brush, very thin. And being that I did this real just like all over the place, I'm not necessarily expecting these two to fully match. So if they don't, I'm really not gonna be too mad at it, because marble doesn't really match, you know? So let's see. Not fully the same, but not too off, so it's fine.
Okay, they were sisters.
Yeah, I essentially just, I stroked it. Very light. Okay, so I just take this out. Okay, so my question for you guys in this video, if you were a dictator, what rules would you just make permanent? Like, just complete, has to happen? Because me, y'all are taking shoes off when you get inside of people's homes. Like, I would enforce that with the full strength of the law. Like, y'all got shoes on the inside, I'm abolishing prisons, but something similar, okay? That's so good, period. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this wider Sonia Kashuk large eyeshadow brush into the Nubian Coral, just this color, and kind of blend out, super light, just blend it out. Don't worry, I'll go back in it with the black to darken it back up. Yeah, so I did that. Now I'm gonna take my Q-tip. I just clean that out. I don't want it too wild right there. Okay, and I just like a slight blend, that gray color. And I'm also gonna take this just on the outside here, that gray. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back into the black with this e.l.f. smudge brush. Very light, very light. Now I'm just gonna take this. I'm gonna go back into the, this is a little chaotic, I'm so sorry. So I'm gonna go back into this little brush, into the black, and kind of just make a line. Okay, so yeah, I want it to just feel like a stroke. I just want it to feel kind of like a paint stroke or a marble, kind of just not too, it's not too clean at all by any means. And then take that smudge and go underneath of the eyes, my under eye. Just take that down. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm going to go back in a little bit at the top to just darken some spaces. Okay, so now I'm just going to close this up. I'm pretty sure I'm done with this. I'm going to go back into the Nubian Coral, into that gray one last time, and kind of just blend out the bottom. Okay, and now I'm just gonna clean it up and then we're gonna get to the face. It was quick, it was unexpected, but I'm living, okay? I'm living. I'm giving, like, I feel very Black Swan, so I'm just going to dub this Black Swan. So, now that we've done that, get into this base, shall we? I'm gonna do Smashbox Studio, not Studio. I'm gonna do Smashbox photo finish. Yeah, what else? What other rules would I enforce? I would do maybe like, I mean, universal hair care, obviously, like all of the normal do good stuff, but I think women should get like a beauty and like a beauty stipend. Very gender affirming, okay? Just like men could get like free gym subscriptions. That's what men like to do. Y'all like to be in the gym. I am banning all podcast mics. The only podcast mics that get to stay are Fuhad and James, so shout out to Shits and Gigs. Everybody else, y'all gotta go. Like, podcasts have been banned under my leadership, okay? I'm also banning Uggs. I know that's gonna be very just, no, I'm banning them. I'm banning them. No more. No more. They have to go. They are no longer permitted in the party, okay? I would make not putting your cart back in, like when you're at the grocery store and they have the little thing, I would make not putting your cart back a punishable offense. Like, yeah, because what's wrong with you? Why do you lack common decency? Now we need to have a conversation. Okay, why are you here? You know? Let's start with color correcting. I'm getting better at not forgetting, guys. Very late, because I don't know if, like, I just can't see it. Okay, that's done. You guys already know what time it is. Born This Way. Concealer and caramel. Actually, I don't know why I haven't really been putting it on the forehead. Let me at least dot it. Free hair transplants. I feel like that is also gender affirming on both sides. So some of y'all are bald by force and not by choice. So I don't think I'm gonna add another concealer color, so we're gonna let that go. For foundation, I'm gonna do my Estee Lauder Double Wear. Oh, such a good foundation, I must say. I was not expecting to like it when they sent it to me, to be honest. But such a pleasant surprise, such a pleasant surprise. I can see why she's a staple for a lot of the girls. SWAN Cosmetics Liquid Blush and Shade Attraction. Now I'm gonna take Charlotte Tilbury Airspray, or Airbrush Setting Spray. Take my SWAN Cosmetics Loose Powder. I'm gonna take my MAC Studio Fix Plus and NW45 around all the areas that I did not do the loose powder. Buffing foundation brush. Okay, I'm gonna take this Makeup Revolution blusher loaded in Pink Lady. I'm gonna do my dots real quick, come back, and then we're gonna get into the lip. Only thing left outside of my lips is highlighter. We're gonna take my ColourPop Vanilla Bean. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna take this NYX Black Smoke liner. I think I want like a really nude look to go on, but with that red in the middle. So I'm going to take my over the top MAC. Okay, so I'm actually just fully obsessed with this as is. So I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution Super Fix. And that's the final look. I hope you guys like it. Comment, subscribe if you do. If you don't, keep that yourself. Okay. I will see you guys soon. Bye.